What's up, crackheads?
Welcome back to Cold Ones with the Boys. It's rolling time.
Wait, no, you're not meant to.
Making it nice and something. I'm just gonna add in this, mate.
This is the ad, and then you mix it all together.
Feel a little taste it.
Now we do a cracker. And then a final ingredient to give it that is the bottom egg. Fucking hell!
Wait.
Fuck it.
What you got to do next though is chuck it in your saucepan. So what we do is we go over to our kitchen and make sure we put some of that on. That adds the flavour. And take it over. So once you get it to your saucepan, you just fucking chuck that in there. And there you go.
How are we gonna put it in the microwave?
Put it in there.
Oh, yeah. Good job. Yeah, so then you tip it out of it.
Now we just gotta put it in the microwave. Monsieur, je dis. Just want to put her on your stove top in a nice container, not plastic because it'll melt, on your stove, and you just give it a good stir.